It's another vlog! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we will be driving my Lola's Isuzu Altera. So this is her car, guys. So I'll show you how to drive this car using Barefoot. So without further ado, wait a minute guys. So today, I'm so sorry, hindi ako nakapag-ayos kasi nagpre-prepare kami for New Year. And so kaya ganito yung itsura ko. So let's start! So ang pag-drive nito guys is same lang din sa Hyundai Ion ko. If you see my last video or my previous videos regarding my Hyundai Ion, so yung gear shift natin guys is same lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yung reverse is nandito sa right lower ng gear shift mo. So same lang, start your ignition. And ito pala guys, hindi mo na kailangang mag-step ng clutch pedal mo. So directly start your ignition. Sorry yung lighting. You heard it? So yun lang. And then you can now step on your clutch and then put your gear shift to number 1 or your first gear. So push and then up, and then slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. Alright, we did it. See? That's how easy it is, guys.
Bye.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you for coming to our quick joyride. So I hope you learned something new today. So this model of Isuzu Altera is same as my Hyundai Ion, na yung gear shift is 1 to 5, and then yung reverse is same lang din sa lower right, and then hindi mo na kailangang tapakan yung clutch before mo mapastart yung sasakyan. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe always guys. Happy New Year. Goodbye. Bye.